It is fucking blowing. Wow. Oh my God. Holy shit. Wow. He's gushing something else. Look. Something else just went out. Some other power. Wow, dude. This is gnarly.